Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Simwanja. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. So my first step is steaming. I'll use hot water. You have to use super hot water. I have mine here. I've already boiled it, hot water. Then I don't have a small bucket, so I just use this one. So I just use this one. I'll pour my water over here. It's super hot. So let me collect the vapor first, that I will use it to steam on the face. So first, I just use the towel, then the hot water, then the bucket. So I will just dip my face inside the bucket, but not to the water, just at the top of the bucket. The water is very small, it's very not at the water. So this is how I do steaming. So when you feel like you're not breathing, just give yourself a break. You breathe, then let's go for the second round. I think it's done. Like you feel the sweat. You feel. So I'm done.